The most common types of dozers. A bulldozer is a continuous tracked or wheeled tractor with a metal plate called a blade affixed to the front of the vehicle. At a construction site or a mining quarry, bulldozers are used to push and remove soil and waste. They're also used to backfill trenches, level, and clear land, and keep roadways in good repair. Although a bulldozer can assist in the grading process, a motor grader is usually more suited for projects that require careful grading. Wheel dozer. A wheeled bulldozer, as the name implies, has wheels instead of tracks. Because tires produce less disruption on a surface than a track, a wheel dozer is an excellent choice for tasks that need work on soft ground or sensitive surfaces. For projects that demand mobility and versatility, a wheel dozer is a suitable option. The wheel dozer is typically larger than a tracked dozer, with articulated hydraulic steering and a narrower axis of motion. Benefits: the wheel dozer's tires make it easier to move and turn. Crawler dozer. The crawler dozer is the most popular dozer, with its tracks and ripper at the back identifying it. The crawler or track bulldozer is particularly suited for terrain that requires grip, such as muddy or slippery areas because it has tracks. Benefits: the crawler dozer's tracks make it ideal for job sites that have irregular or uneven terrain. Mini bulldozer. The tiny bulldozer, sometimes known as a mini bulldozer, is perfect for narrow areas or small lots, such as driveways. The mini bulldozer, like the mini excavator, is smaller than a conventional bulldozer. Benefits: the mini bulldozer's small size makes it easy to maneuver around narrow job sites. For more information, call 469-370-7501 or visit interstateheavyequipment.com.